What's up YouTube? My name is Alan and welcome to my YouTube channel. And in today's video, we're going to fix this door handle here on my 2010 Ford Fusion. Broke like a week ago. Someone went to go pull it and it freaking just snapped right here. I'm going to replace it with this aftermarket one I got off of Amazon here. So we'll see how well it goes. I haven't looked any of this stuff up, so I'll be learning right along with you. So let's get started. Alright, once again, here's the door handle. As you can see, it's pretty broken. Right here is where it's snapped off at. I mean, it still like technically works, it just looks like crap. This already occurred when I bought the vehicle. It peeled off, and more of it's peeled off since then, but you know. So let's see here, set this up right and we can get started. So there's a little dot right here on the back of there, so I believe that's where the screw obviously is. So I'm going to grab my screwdriver here. Off here. Alright, so I just now popped it off. So, looks like there's a hex screw in there that we'll have to get to in a second. But, okay, get that out. Just slide this out like so, or lock button, stop this. Nope, actually it will not. Sweet. Alright, 8 is for this one right here, so alright, now we have a screw inside there, kind of screw a nut in there, so grab my socket and extension so I can reach down in there. I'm going to try a 7 first, see what happens. Probably too big. Nope, it's a 7. It's here. Just pull this closing out. Hopefully clean that off here. Let's see if we can. This tray just comes out and crap breaks off of it. Fantastic. I think that's it though for screw wise. So, oh no. That could have been bad. There are screws here on the outside as well, so I want to grab that same bit I had earlier for the door screw. Okay, it's 20 like the other one was, so just go ahead and unscrew that. There's another one down here across the bottom. I'm just going to take the camera, turn it sideways here so you can see it. Right there. Okay. So I'm going to screw that one. Alright, so now that I got that out, I'm going to try to remove the panel here. So I've taken off a door panel before, so I'm hoping it's semi-similar to how I've done before. That worked. Okay, just put your leg against it, pull this out right here. I'll get it out. Okay, so felt right here, so we kept the door from making noise while the car's moving, but fell out. So we're not gonna worry about it. Alright, so I just kind of kept pulling and it just came out. There's I think I broke it in the end. There was a huge one right here that I think I could put back in there, and then I broke the one that I was working on earlier, I believe. Yeah. So that's broken now, but I have access to the door handle now, and that's what we were trying to get to. It's here. It's pretty. This looks pretty simple here. You just have to squeeze that out there and pull this. Make sure the doors are all the way closed and pull this straight out like so. And that's pretty much how you get the door handle out. I'll take our new one here. There it is. This plastic wrap all over it. I'm gonna wait until I get it back in installed before I take so. Alright, just a little update here. I came back and tore the door apart again, and I realized you have to make sure this white piece right here is in there. I didn't put it in there last time, so when the door locked, it wouldn't like actually lock, and it would look pretty stupid. It would always look like this, even though it was locked or unlocked. So now that it's in there, it actually unlocks. Back in. So now we just grab our socket and the one I went with, and we put it up here to the door. Line it up straight. Okay, I don't want to bolt it too tight, just enough to, you know, it sounds like it opens the door, so. Let's get some. Now we pour everything back in. Fine. Okay, so this is pretty much permanently been out of place here in the corner. So I'm just gonna put everything back together and not worry about it. Just note, when you do this yourself, I would just say don't use excessive force, because that's the main reason why this is broken out. Maybe when I put all the screws back in, it will help a little bit, but for what I'm looking at right now, I don't think it's gonna go back in there, right? Then don't forget about the screw that's down here at the bottom. I'm just gonna make sure it's in there. Alright, let's put this back in. Oh. So like the whole thing in there. Not do that. There we go. In there. Alright, so my hands are clean. I washed them when I went inside, so I'm going to peel this off here. Looks a lot nicer than the other one. Okay, and we're going to grab this as well. Bring this through like so. And there's that. All we do is screw this back into place. Then we'll grab this piece right here. Pretty sure that the long part down here is supposed to be on there, man. Pretty sure the long part down here is supposed to be on the bottom, so I'll place that down first. There you go. Oh, this kind of looks like crap, but I mean, door handle doesn't, so you know. Let's see what happens here. Alright, and there we are. So if you like this video, make sure you leave a thumbs up and comment down below saying what you thought of it. This won't happen very often. I just did it because I was bored and got this and got my new mount for my phone for my tripod, so I wanted to test that out as well. If you like this video, feel free to check out a few of my others, and if you like those, make sure you subscribe. Alright, thanks.